Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to set customized ringtone with LED lights in Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So first of all, we will go to the settings of the phone. Now open the Glyph interface. Then choose the ringtone. Then choose default ringtones. Now click on the Nothing ringtone. You can see. So there are 10 ringtones with the Nothing default ringtones. Somebody wants to add a customized ringtone and customized Glyph for that also. So when we are needed, we need to open Play Store, then install the application called Zedge. So this one is a very useful application for who wants to download third-party wallpapers and ringtones. So I am using for past 3 years. It's a very useful and free one. Install this application. Now in the category you need to click on ringtones. So you can see several ringtones available here. You can see category wise also. So if you want to choose electronica category, you need to click on electronica. You can see. If you want to set this as ringtone, you need to click on the text. Now click on the download icon, then click set ringtone. Now the ringtone is uploaded successfully. Now you can see that. So we can come back to the ringtones. Default ringtone. Now choose my sound. Now this one is a we set ringtone. So we can see that. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.